The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Gilmer County in north-central Georgia, south-central Murray County in northwestern Georgia, northeastern Gordon County in northwestern Georgia, northwestern Pickens County in north-central Georgia, until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Audubon, Oregon, 11 miles northeast of Calhoun, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Oakman, Carter's, Audubon, and Round Top. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. At 8 p.m. in Gainesville,